How was the experience of the workshop?
It was amazing. I was expecting it to be a usual workshop. I thought कि थोड़ा बहुत काम होगा and the usual stuff. But never did I expect it to be such an intense and overwhelming experience. I think it was one of the best workshops, or the best workshop that I've attended so far.
Okay. What was particularly, in your opinion, the most amazing part of it?
The most amazing part was how we bonded with each other. Like some of the people like you, I've already known you from Karachi and like Faria and everybody, but now I think we know and respect each other differently, and there's definitely a bonding, and it was very intense.
Okay, what about the technology part? Did you find that, I mean, you use technology, so did you find that was something that, interfered with the workshop, or do you think that it added value to your?
No, I think it definitely added value to it, because iMovie is something that I didn't explore, and now I'm going to play a lot with it, and I'm really happy that I learned.
Okay, so you're now going to be a director-producer.
Yes, I'm a director, producer, star, and author.
How do you think that the knowledge that we got from the digital storytelling, how do you think we can use it for the benefit of others?
I think that the digital storytelling process, the whole workshop, and actually making it so important. And we've already sort of planned the entire campaign. The logo is also prepared. I'm not going to leak it out right now, but I think it's going to play a very, very good role. Like because when you're campaigning and going to different schools and institutes and places and showing people these stories, it will just motivate people to know that they're not alone, and also tell people to come out. And I think it's even if you're just venting out, it's a very constructive way of venting out and creating awareness, which is amazing.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Welcome.